The goal of this video is to demonstrate how to import CAD files in Coppelia Sim. Instead of building our own CAD files, we will go to Tinkercad and download a CAD file in OBJ format. This example, we will download a basketball with a hoop. Then we'll import the file using File Import Mesh in Coppelia Sim. Finally, we'll write some code so that we can launch this ball so that it goes inside the hoop. First of all, I go to tinkercad.com. Here I search for basketball hoop. And of the results, there's one particular basketball hoop which I liked, which I downloaded. It is this one. So I click on this link. I say download for 3D printing, and then I download it as an OBJ format. So I click on that and it'll download on my computer. So it'll download as a zip file. You can unzip it. And if you look at the contents of that file, you will have the OBJ file, which I will open now. So go to File, Import, go to Mesh. I open tinker.obj, import, and here I have the ball and the hoop. Okay, now if I can see that what these objects are, the Tinker 0 is actually the ball. We can just rename that to be the ball. I'll double click that. I want to give it some dynamics. So I go to dynamic properties and then check it to be respondable and make it dynamic so I can launch it. I can also click on the other ones, go to their properties. I'll make them respondable, but I will not make them dynamic. Now that we've done that, we can run this and you can see that the ball drops down. Now what we're going to do is we're going to move the ball along the y-axis. So along y, and move it slightly down. Now we're ready to launch it. So here's how we'll do it. We will write a script. For that, I'll add a child script, non-threaded Python. Okay. Generate the ball as a handle, object handle, ball. And then in one of my earlier videos on projectile, I had shown how to launch the ball with a certain velocity. I'll just reuse that code. Okay, so I'm copy pasting that code. Okay, this code here sets the ball initial velocity in the x, y, z direction. Now in this case, we want to launch the ball in the y, z direction. So the x velocity is 0. The y, I put 5. Let's put there maybe 2 and run this. There seems to be an error. Okay, I think this is the wrong command. So I'm just going to delete that. It's just get object. Okay, let's run this now. Stop and run. It looks like the object doesn't exist. Okay, I have to name this as B with a capital B. So I'll rename that. And now let's see if it works. Okay, that was too fast. Let me turn the real time on. It jumped above the hoop, so I can decrease the speed to maybe 1.5 and run this. Okay, that was a little too fast. Let's decrease this to 1.25. It's hard to see whether it fell, so we can rotate the view. Run this again. rotate the view and run. It looks like it missed. I need to change the X position. So I click on this X and then move it slightly to the right. Okay, and let me change the view to see if it's in the right direction. Move slightly more. Okay. Let's launch this. So here this just went inside the basket. We can check this quickly by in this view and then running it. Okay, so this is how you can import a CAD file and then write a script to get it going.